One of the things that personal learning and journey that I've been on is that in business, it's not all about the business. It's not all about making money. If there's not a balance in your life and not a balance in how you're approaching the things that are important to you, that will take away from the enjoyment of what you do, and it'll make business a chore. I actually spent some time with David, been working with David for a few years now, and in the last year it's been quite tough. A couple of key people have left him, and that's made it difficult for him to stay out of and work on the business, and actually had to go back into the business. Getting an understanding of why he's doing it and what's important is a critical part of it.